We have here a parallelogram, and the question will be requiring us to determine the area and the perimeter. Right? So if you look at this shape, if I draw a diagonal line from there to there, you will see that the top triangle is identical to the bottom triangle here. Let's call it A and B. Can you see that? And these two triangles share the same height, which means the perpendicular height, that is from there up to there, right? These two triangles, one, they are identical and they share the same height, which means their heights are equal. So triangles between parallel lines have got equal heights. Are we together? So if I'm to calculate the area of this whole shape here, so I can say area of A, B, C, D, that parallelogram, will be equals to the area of triangle ABD plus the area of triangle BCD. Can you see that? Which means you know that area of a triangle is given by what? Half base times height. So you can see, since this is a parallelogram, this side is equals to that side, and this side is equals to that side. Can you see that? So which means these two triangles have got equal bases. So I can say area of triangle ABD will be half times base, which is AD, times the height, which is H, plus the height, the area of triangle BCD, which is half, times the base is BC, times the height. Can you see that? Do you see that? So, and since these triangles are identical, right, we can say this is the same as half of AD plus H, which is common, plus half. We can say since AD is equals to BC, we can still just use AD here. So at the end, you will see that area of a parallelogram can be written in short as, because if we add half times half, it gives us a whole. Can you see that? So which means area here is going to be AD times height. Can you see? Half of AD times H, because here we removed BC and we replaced it by AD because they are equal. Can you see that? So it's this half of AD times H plus half of AD plus times H gives you AD times H. Can you see that? What that means is that we can say in short there we can say area of parallelogram ABCD will be equals to base times height, which is base times the perpendicular height of that base, which means one of the sides times the perpendicular height. Easy. Can you see that? So in this case, we can say, let me do this. In this case, I can say area of A, B, C, D will be equals to 24 times 10, which is going to be 240 square centimeters. Easy. Do you see that? Now we are using what we've learned, what we've applied by calculating the two triangles, which means if you get stuck, you can just draw a line and you calculate the areas of the two triangles and you add them up, you get to that. Which means in simple, it's side times the perpendicular height to that side. Can you see that? Right. So now let's say perimeter. You know perimeter is easy, eh? Perimeter is going to be 6 plus 24. Remember, we've got two sides that are parallel. So we can say in short 6 times 2, because there are two sides that are equal. Huh? plus 24 times 2. You add that up, which is going to be what? 12 plus 48. What is 12 plus 48? Is it not 60? 60 centimeters. Done. Do you see how easy it is? Right. Same thing you do with a rhombus. A rhombus looks like a parallelogram, but this one, all the sides are equal. Can you see that? So which means if this is 13, this is 13, this also is 13, this also is 13. Can you see that? A rhombus, all the sides are equal, which means area, we calculate it the same way we calculate area of a parallelogram. So area of our rhombus here will be equals to 12 times 13. What will be the answer? 156. Remember, these are what now? You see, they don't give you any particular units, but we just say square units. Do you see that? Square units. If you don't put that, you lose a mark. Are we together? Because when you calculate area, the units are squared. Whatever units. If it's kilometers, it's square kilometers. If it is meters, it's square meters. If it is millimeters, it's square millimeters. If it is centimeters, it's square centimeters. If there is nothing, it's square units. Can you see that? Right. So again, perimeter, it's grade 1 stuff. Right, which is going to be 13 times 4, which gives you what? 52 units. Do you see that? Good, easy, ne? Do the quiz. Right, so everyone is able to do that. Let's go and do the quiz.